Hello. So today I want to talk about how I make money online. So I know the pandemic's been rough on a lot of people, so I just wanted to tell you different way I make money online so that this can inspire you. I have 5 years of videos here. I also have a class. I teach how to sell clothes online and the link will be down there. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe. And here we go. So the first primary breadwinner for me is selling clothes online. So I sell clothes on Poshmark, Tradesy, eBay, Vestiaire, Mercari, and Amazon. Yes, you can sell clothes on Amazon. And those are like the primary where I have my reputation for selling on my website, as well as also my Instagram. Everybody knows me as the clothes seller. So that's one avenue of selling. Another way you can make money online is teaching or selling courses. So I just launched my Bunch of Styles Academy, and in that academy I signed 258 students, somewhere around there, for $99 to as the beta price, and then it launches and the price has jumped up considerably because this is just a beta, and I'm also going to make sure that it's going to be fine-tuned and fixed before it's finally completed. And I also will throw out sometimes courses that I just am inspired to sell. Like, so for instance, sometime in June, I'm going to release a class. It's going to be about Instagram and how to get more followers and how to make more sales on Instagram. So if you're interested in that, I'll post my email and you could DM me or email me on my Instagram, or DM me on my or email me, and you can join that class. So it's going to be a 4-hour workshop, and I'm going to teach how to get more sales, how to create your messaging, because I feel like people need to know who you are and what you stand for so that you could increase the know, like, trust factor. And that's something that you could do, is sell classes. The third avenue is affiliate marketing. So I'm affiliated with Vendu Co, and I have that on my Linktree bio, in my Instagram bio. And so whenever somebody goes on my Linktree and they go purchase Vendu through my affiliate link, then I get a percentage of the sale, and they get, like, I believe, a 20% discount. So it's both a win-win situation. And you could also make money as an affiliate for Amazon. So I've not started yet, but if I recommend products from Amazon and people purchase from my link, then they also get a discount. I also have some other courses that I can recommend. Like Chriselle, she teaches an accounting course, and I always, if I ever talk about her course, then somebody buys it on my link, on my Linktree, then she also gives me a discount, as well as I get a percentage of the sale. So you can do affiliate links and get discounts like that, or you could also get a percent of the sales that way. So that's another method. And then YouTube, I have 1,500 subscribers, but I don't have as much watch time as I need to get to monetize my YouTube following. But if you guys have a YouTube channel in the future, then you could also get money from YouTube. So that's another way. And then email marketing. So, like, if ever you want to sell something and you email your list the products or services, you could do that. So that's another way. Another way I also make money is when I sell through my Instagram. I sell reselling boxes. So I sell on those big platforms that you had heard of earlier, like eBay, Poshmark, Tradesy, Vestiaire, and all that. But when I purchase a lot of items, and some of the older season items are still really cute and popular, but they have not sold for me, I sell it to my followers for a really, really cheap rate, not making any profit, but at cost. And then so you could get rid of older inventory selling to your audience. So that's why I really suggest that you grow your following, grow your list, and grow your audience so that you could also sell other services like that. And then I have a Shopify website on, and then I'll link that down below too, is that they could buy products that I have from drop shipping from China, and that's like exercise products and exercise gear, and that's going to be purchased on that Shopify website. So that's another way that you could enhance your sales and things like that. And also in my Facebook group, as well as my personal Facebook, sometimes I will tell them about a sale, and then somebody will direct message me and say like, hey, I like that dress, what size can I buy it? And I can make a sale like that. So those are the different ways that I make money through social media and e-commerce. And as well as just you could do things like a funnel. So like, for instance, you can sell content. So for instance, like I might make a list of the top items that sell on Poshmark or something, and then you could sell that by that link for $7 and sell that, something like that. So there's a lot of people that do these kind of things to make extra cash online, and it's just helpful to your customers as well as you getting paid for your hours of work and services. And right now, e-commerce is really exploding because of everybody staying in and just being at home. So if you are interested in learning how to grow your Instagram or make sales through Instagram, then I'll have my email down below and you can email me and join. It's going to be 4 hours. Right now I have 4 ladies, and then once it hits 4 ladies, 20 people, I'm going to stop it. Or it's going to be in the middle of June for 4 hours, just helping you say who you are, what you stand for, and just make that messaging clean and like for a marketing standpoint, for your Instagram, as well as looking your bio, looking at your feed, and just like getting my eyes on your different social media handles and giving you my review. So I really hope that watching this video will encourage you to take massive action. The first thing is to make sure that you start to build a list of, all the emails that you are interacting with all your customers so that you could sell them for future products and services. 2, that maybe there's something in your past that you really learned a really great lesson and you want to teach that to others. And you know what, courses, you can even teach things like how to organize your house. And there's like courses for everything. And you always think like you have to be some big guru, and you don't. Like if it's a very low ticket item, people will love to pay for something like that for like under $50. If it's a high ticket item, maybe you have to pay for more marketing and all of that. But, just having an idea and having an outline, I think that's a really great way to start that. And I have a video about how to create an online course. And then if you are interested in selling clothes online, I have a class for that. But if you cannot pay for my class, I have videos down below about how to sell clothes and get the supplies, and start your business for under $100, and you can do that. So I just really want to encourage and inspire stay-at-home moms or anybody, entrepreneurs that like the 9-to-5 grind, to create your own business online. Also in my class, you could preview 3 classes for free. And so you don't have to even join it. I'm not trying to plug my classes. I'm just telling you that you could have 3 videos that you get to watch for free. So it's the social media marketing videos for free. The Amazon part 2 video is for free, as well as the Mercari, like how to sell on Mercari. That's all free. So you could just click the link in the bio, and then when it says preview, you click the video and then you could watch those videos for free. And that's my interactions with my students and how I do my classes and things like that. So I know that, you know, growing an audience and building an audience on YouTube or Instagram seems like it's really arduous and hard, but everybody starts at zero. Just take imperfect, massive action, and I know you can do this. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to anybody who's interested on making money online.